Kia ora whānau. Another beauty day. Out doing the mahi. This time we're out to Pora. But, that's the old Port Albert entry in there. Poto out there. South head behind the trees. Fuck, why did I stop here? Oh nah, Scania loves it, boy. She loves it. One gear at a time. Come on, girl. I just had to get there for the video. Oh, ideally you would not stop there, but we ain't fully loaded. We got enough weight on the ass for traction, and she ain't wet, so we good. Yeah, so these this load today is heading for Greenlee Hamilton, which we don't do a lot of because we gave it up. Too hard on us with our early loads into Auckland. Yeah, pretty much that's about it. Too much pressure, really, just for us hillbilly folk running trucks. We're like, nah bro, we want to keep it legal. We're not superheroes of the old days, so we don't want to do it no more, bro. So out here we have the Kaipara Harbour. And yeah, that's South Head there. Oh, just the mirror for you fellas too. Roger. Fuck yeah, how good, eh? How good. So yeah, I don't know what this video will consist of, but we'll make something up. We'll do something. But yeah, what a day. Wish I had a clean truck. And yesterday the old sun was pumping. Not used to it. I hate the heat. Speaking of heat, turn that shit down. The fuck is that? So yeah, starting to get a bit of a shortage of cattle around the place, so I hear. Old sale prices are getting quite crazy apparently, but yeah, we're still busy enough. Like, we're not quiet. Good old local trade cattle, eh? Always something to do. Always something to do. So I seen someone comment about this thing, oh, the engine brakes are so quiet. What's the goes there? Well, on these Scanias, you have a hydraulic retarder. So if I, turn auto engine brake off, if I fucking yank on this, it literally locked up the wheel. So you got a 5-stage retarder there on that stalk, as well as gears, manual, auto, you know, forward, reverse, whatever else. Can change modes there. So you got eco mode, which is, I don't know what's wrong with this thing, but I swear normal auto is eco, because eco makes no difference whatsoever, and it's painful to drive in normal auto, so usually I'll just keep it in manual because I'm a dumbass and yeah, I know everything. Well, fucking hell. Disclaimer, no I don't, I'm a fucking idiot, but that's how I like to drive it, so suck the Kumara, brother. And yeah, so all those modes, indicators and that. Oh damn, another voice crack. Down here you got all the diff locks, cross lock, full lock up, weight transfer button, so that puts all the weight on the front drive axle, kind of takes the weight off the back one and puts it on the front. That's got me into a few places empty before. You know, you kind of run out of metal just before you get to the ramp, so put all the weight on that front one and it just creeps its way in there. That's a drawbar switch there, don't play with that on the road. Air horns, fucking, I don't know, trailer up and down for the rear axle, which I don't have. Hill start, turn that off. Trailer brake, handbrake, push to supply air or whatever. Yeah. Night lights for the crates. There. And mirror heaters, which don't work. Night light in the cab, so those are the red lights all around there. And yeah, all the lights for the cab which don't work as well. Fuck if I know what's going on there. Down here you have your shit tank switches, good for road rage, those ones. Cruise control on and off. These are your airbag controls. So with these things you can lift them up and down whenever you want, as long as you're not going too quick, I think. Like if I hit it now it won't work, but good for like ramps that are like lower and higher than others. And even like when you have trouble butting up because of the angle, you can bloody lift them up and straighten the drawbar out and all sorts. So another bonus of that. Bloody beauty. So yeah, about to hit the tar seal for the rest of the day pretty much. This is only gravel I've had, and I will have. I'm a highway trucking now, boy. I feel quite tired today, to be honest. Didn't get much sleep. Had to pick up the missus from our mate's birthday party this morning, and yeah, I don't really drink anymore, to be honest. All the boys surely will know, unless I've got anger issues, but ever since my mental breakdown fucking shit, I don't know, I was quite into alcohol. Not bad, but like I never used to drink, and then I started drinking, and then yeah, kind of not really got hooked on it, because I gave it up like just like that. But I just noticed when I was drunk I was starting to go a bit downhill, you know. So yeah, pretty well cut that shit out, and then I've gone to a few parties since, and you know, you get a little bit tipsy and then someone will say something and I'm like, bro, fuck you, bro. The old anger flares up just like that. I'm like, nah, fuck that. Stay off the shit, brother. Not good for you. If someone gave me shit and I wasn't in the mood, bro, I was gonna be swinging. and I ain't good enough at fighting to do that shit, so fuck that, no way. I can wrestle a lamb or two, but I can't wrestle a 6'4" smartass, you know? So yeah, just got a little bit of a floor load at the moment. Just got the 10 bulls, got a 4 and then a 2 and 2 heifers or cows, and then there's just 6 running in the trailer, because as soon as I hit Neville's yard they're coming straight back off. Put the big stairs on the bottom that are from off the old man's truck, 17 of them I think. I'll have to take one of them out, so 4 4s on the bottom, and then I might have to mix that last steering with these cows or something, spread the weight around a bit, and yeah, then we'll be heading for Hamilton. Those fuckers are the worst on the road. If you drive a Tesla and you're watching this, get fucked, honestly. Team, we're back in Auckland. Drop that shit off in Hamilton. On the mission home. Have to take the truck back home. Oh, what the fuck, bro? Are you fucking shitting me, cunt? Yeah, I'd like the weather to improve a bit before I start making like more scenic videos, you know what I mean? Because weather lately's been shit every single time. But you can't beat a good you know, good day in the sun and shit for a bit of scenics. So yeah, Roger. Stay in this lane. More room over here. What an evening, eh? Perla. Healthy shit. Feed you a smoothie. Feed you an apple. Goodbye, trucker belly. Don't know if you fellas can see the Suzuki Swift's under tray under there. It's fucking like on the bottom of the car. Chicken there'll be like, what the fuck is that sound? My car's about to break down. Well, I better call my dad. Dad, my car's making the sound like I think I'm gonna crash. That's my life, bro, just talking to myself like that, making up scenarios. That's the trucking life. If there's a job, it's got to be done, and that's it. That's what people don't understand about trucking. It's tough going when you got like young families and shit, eh? Not that I have, but probably about to soon, you know. I'm about, well, just about 27 now, so quite up there now for like having kids and shit, in my opinion. So I better jump into it soon before my balls pass their best before date. So yeah, it's either make the money now or never, really. But there ain't no money to be made, so